Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. In today's video, I have my first shoe haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I've been buying shoes since January of this year, just collecting shoes and whatnot. I got 4 new pairs of shoes. The latest one just came in today. I would have had a total of 6 pairs of shoes. Make sure ain't no information on here. So I had these, the red, black, and white Nike up tempos, and I got them in a size 6.5. That was my first pair, but I had to return those because they looked so huge on my foot and I didn't like them. So I returned those to the Nike store. The main reason why I got the shoes is because I don't know if anyone ever recognized, but right here, those look like fingers, look like a hand is gripping the shoe. So I don't know if anyone ever noticed that, if you look up close to that. Another pair I purchased is the Jordan 1 lows, or no, they're not the lows. I purchased the Jordan 1 highs, and it's this blue, black, and white pair. I purchased these last month in February. Email I got saying that the shoes were sold out. So unfortunately, I did not get those. I would have had a total of 6 pairs, but it's okay. These shoes, I don't know in any particular order. We're just gonna go ahead and get into it. This is the first pair. I got some Air Force Ones, and I love these a lot. I haven't wore any of my shoes yet. On the box, it says white pink glaze. These are grade school size 6. I got these from the Nike app, and these are so sweet. Like, that pink is everything. All of my other shoes, I found shirts to match them, except for these, your basic white Air Force One. It just got the little highlights of pink. So we got these. Oh, I'm loving these. Give y'all a little 360 of the shoe. I ordered these Nike Air Force. These are the Elevate Nike Air Force, and I thought the LV8 stand for level 8. I don't know why. So these are white, black, game royal, and these are in a size 6.5. I got these from Hibbett.com. It's the blue in the inside. And then the Nike check. It has black outlining around the Nike check. Then it says Nike right here in black. The shoe is pretty much all white. In the back, it got the black Nike check. This is like that patent leather. Bottom is all blue. On the tongue, it has like the little plaid design, and it's gray, and it says Nike on the tongue, Nike check on the tip of the shoestring, and then the gray AF1 little thingamajig. I have this Nike shirt to go with these Air Force Ones. I got this one yesterday from the Nike store, and that's what it looks like up close. It has the blue and the black, and this shirt is too dope. Like, I like this shirt a lot, but it's a size medium in men's, and it's kind of big. These bad boys I got when they first came out. Let's just give y'all a quick 360 view, because these shoes is giving me so much life. And honestly, when I first looked at these shoes, I was not feeling them. I didn't think that they would look good on my feet whatsoever, but I'm loving them. The first little detail, I like this a lot. It reminds me like of a Gatorade bottle for some odd reason. This little thing on the string, a white atmosphere infrared These are grade school size 6. I got these from Foot Locker. The price for the white and pink Air Forces were $85. The price for the blue, black, and white Air Forces were $90. $130 for these or something like that. And this is my very first pair of Retro 6. It was really hard to find a shirt to match these. But it has a pretty pink. And then this is like, I don't know what color it is. This is like a cream or something. Thank you, sweetie. But y'all see it. Don't play with the drip, the drip, the drip. I wasn't really feeling these shoes at first because of the black. I thought the black threw the shoe off. But once they came and I seen them in person, I was like, oh. The back has the Jordan Jumpman right there. And then it has like the little shoe, what you call this, like a shoe cuff hook or something when you want to put your shoe on. This part right here probably don't look that bright in person, but when you look, it's like, it's a crazy color. I can't explain it. It has a little Jumpman right there in the tongue. Like I said, this color is also different from the pink in this part, of course. Got this last pair of shoes for my birthday. What's that? Let me see that. This is Devin here. What did you order? I have the Jordan Retro 12s with the gold on them. I've showed them in a couple of videos already. I don't know when the other Retro 12 playoffs came out. It was sometime last week. And I wanted those, but when I went to the Mall of America, I stood in line for like 2 hours or more. And unfortunately, they sold out. I was like, we ain't doing that. I got these off of StockX. And before I give them their credit, I'm not going to recommend you guys to go there just yet. I did receive the shoes. I was terrified that I might receive like a box of rocks or something crazy in the box. Let's go ahead and just get into it and show you guys because they just came in the mail today. And I'm so excited. Jordan Retro 1 mids. And then it came with this little thing saying verified and authentic. I got these in a size 6.5 from StockX. Again, they're not gonna get 100% like recommendation just yet. I want to order a couple more pairs of shoes to make sure they're like legit before I come on here trying to recommend anything to anybody. I got this Nike shirt. Is gray, black and white. Nike, just do it, written in a circle. I got this shirt from my job at Kohl's. It says just do it, and I love this because it has so many different colors. I got this jersey because me and my fiance, we plan on taking pictures for our anniversary coming up the day before my birthday. But anyways, I got this Goon Squad drip jersey. Look at it, so cute. So yeah, I want to wear my Jordan Retro 1s with this jersey. There's nothing really to show y'all about these because they're all black. Everything's black. Black shoestrings, black inside, black everything. These were on StockX for $115 in size 6.5. All right, you guys, so that is going to be it for my little mini shoe haul. This was my first shoe haul ever on my channel, I believe. Like I said, I would have had a total of 6 pairs of shoes, but 2 of them unfortunately didn't make the cut. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already. Make sure you share this video with anyone and everyone you guys know. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Or you can just say hello in the comment section. And I'm out of here, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.